Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This channel is a reaction channel, but today what I'm going to talk about maybe it's not reaction, it's reflection. So, I give a little bit of everything, and usually the stories that I talk and hear, they're real, and I try to keep them recent, but today I'm going to talk about something else, because when I look in the news and I see all the crimes that are happening, I'm just reflecting back to childhood. And, this is a heartfelt tale of how families were in Jamaica and how we have fallen so far behind. And, I'm just reflecting about like in the vibrant hills of Jamaica, which I am familiar with Manchester and Trelawney. And life in the past really resolved around strong family bonds and community support. So many families really cherish traditions and gather every Sunday. Them eat together, them go to church, them come home, them eat together. Even if who don't have table, eat on floor. And them share them hearty meals such as rice and peas and whatever meat they have, or them have vegetables if they don't have meat like kalalu. And these moments weren't just about nourishment, they were about connection and storytelling. I remember Bra Nancy stories and passing down values like respect and loyalty and hard work. And the older people them share tales of them ancestors, them dismiss that are mass, that are daddy this, not papa this, or mama this, or grandmother this, and tell you all the stories. And you don't know these people, but you hear the story about them. And everyone knew that unity and love were the foundation of their lives. During difficult times, whether facing storms or health. When I say storms, we didn't get a lot of storms, what I can remember back in those days. Now it's like climate change has changed a lot. And the challenges. Now, the community would come together and exemplifying resilience and mutual support. When somebody's sick, the yard full of people until the person dead. And even after the person die, the people still keep coming and lending them support. Back then, Jamaican society was characterized by close-knit families and communities, respect for elders, care for one another, and maintain cultural traditions were central to daily life. The story of, people back in those days remind us of a time when young people grew up knowing their roots and understanding the importance of unity, and I'm saying this because I was going to bring a story here today about a crime in Jamaica which involved a kid, but it's not something that's really friendly for YouTube if I must put the right content in. So I say, you know what? Let me just talk a little bit about where we were and where we are now. And the question is, where are we going? Now, however, today, the narrative has shifted. Many young Jamaicans find themselves drifting away from those traditional values of family and community. In some areas, there is noticeable increase in disunity among young people, reflecting in rising crime rates and social challenges. The one strong bond of kingship and community support seems to be fraying, leading to a sense of division and even alienation among the young people. So who is going to be there to keep the tradition going? The rising crime such as theft, violence, and gang activity can be linked to those changes. When young people lack strong family guidance, and I always say, this thing, you see all these crime that's happening, you train a child, it start from home. But people blame the government all the time. When young people lack strong family guidance and community involvement, They may seek acceptance and identity elsewhere, sometimes in negative environments. And this erosion of unity and the breakdown of traditional support system threaten the social fabric of Jamaica right now. It's very frail. Yet amidst these challenges, there are efforts to restore the spirit of togetherness. Leaders, elders, families, and organizations should work together to reconnect young people with the cultural roots, promote positive values, and foster environments where unity and respect can flourish again. Now, reflecting on the past, we realize how far we have come from the days when families and community were the pillar of Jamaican life. While the journey has faced setbacks, it also offers hopes. Because right now, to be honest with you, a lot of people might not see it, but the Prime Minister, he's doing the best he can. And I am not politically affiliated with any parties, but I think he's trying. And some people might say it's election time, but he's trying. And, the hope reminding us that rebuilding those bonds is essential for Jamaica's future. Reclaim the values of love, respect, and unity can help heal divisions and create a safer, more supportive society for the next generation. This present generation, a lot of them are hopeless. But the next generation to come, there can be changes. Anyway, guys, as me say, may kind of stray away a little bit from what I normally do, react. It just came as I was going to react, as I say before, on a very, very sad news out of Jamaica. And I say, you know what? I'm just going to put this video out for a change. If you have watched the videos this far, kindly subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. And I will see you back here on my next YouTube video.